Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Is your kitchen so small it feel like you are cooking in a closet? Then this video is for you because today we are going to talk about something many of us can relate to the small kitchens and different types of small kitchens. A small kitchens might seem like a challenge, but with the right ideas and the smart design choice, you can turn into the stylish and the functional space. In this video, you can see that and different 30 plus types of small kitchen ideas that will help you maximize your space without sacrificing the style. So whether you are dealing with a evoked layout, limited storage, or just need some inspiration, please stay tuned. Why the small kitchen need the smart solutions? And the small kitchens can be the tricky with the limited counter space, a walk layout, and not enough storage. But guess what? These challenges can be transformed into the opportunity with a bit of the creativity. Smart solutions can turn even the tiniest kitchens into the functional, stylish, and the enjoyable space. You don't need two huge kitchens to cook up big ideas, just a few relevant tricks to make the most of every inches. General design, you can see that in general design's principle when you are planning for a small kitchens. When it comes to the small kitchen, a few design principles can make a huge difference. Number one, the light colors, and the number two, reflective surfaces, and the monochromatic schemes, and the color scheme, of course, and the torch solutions. The light color, using a light color for the walls and and your kitchen's cabinets can instantly make your kitchens feel the bigger and the brighter. Designers Annis and the Andersons use a light wood and the marble is a perfect example. And the reflective surface, the glossy paint and the reflective surface can amplify natural lights, making your space feel more open and airy. Monochromatic schemes and sticky and the single color, especially in the lighters ahead and a creative look that visually expand your kitchens. You can see that different types and different styles of kitchens and the center table kitchens and the parallel type of kitchens here and there's the two sets you easily manage of your kitchen accessories and the central tables and the big tables in the centers of the kitchen easily manage. Thank you for watching.